Now M-bond 200 catalyst can be applied on the bonding surface of the gauge and terminal. After you make sure the alignment of the strain gauge is okay, you apply the catalyzer, which is a blue material. It is okay only on the mat. Okay, stop it. Allow 1 minute for the catalyzer to dry, and after that you use the M-bond 200 adhesive to bond the strain gauge to the surface. This you apply on the surface where the tape connects the surface. You just need a very little drop of the bond, and then gently push the strain gauge on the surface. No glue has to remain on the surface. After you spread the glue, you put your finger on the surface for about 2 minutes, and the basically finger temperature will dry up the glue on the surface. So keep it for 2 minutes, and the fact is that there shouldn't be any glue remain between the surface of the strain gauge and the surface we want the strain gauge to apply on. After you apply the glue, you have to push the glue using a gauze or sponge, all the adhesive away, so that there wouldn't be any adhesive remained on the surface, between the surfaces of the strain gauge and the area. And after that you put your finger on the strain gauge, and the finger's heat will help the adhesive to dry in about 2 minutes. So keep it for about 2 minutes and it will dry. The gauge and terminal strip are now solidly bonded in place. It is not necessary to remove the tape immediately after the gauge installation. To remove the tape, pull it back directly over itself with a very sharp angle. This technique will prevent possible lifting of the foil on open face gauges or other damage on the installation. After you remove the tape, you can apply the coating on the strain gauge. The M coating A is the basic coating for the strain gauge that can be applied both in lab situation or in the natural situation of the structure. After you apply this coating, you can apply, depending on the situation, other coating also on the strain gauge. If it is going to be put in concrete, you can use the black tars specifically for this case, or in the usual situation you can use other coatings like 3145 silicone mentioned in the Vichy handbook. After the coating dries, you have to apply electric tapes on the strain gauge and its area to protect it. Come over the strain gauge as well, completely over the strain gauge. Okay, so cover it up completely with the electrical tape. It will prevent it from any possible damages.